Bro, these nature phenomena look so unreal, you'll think they came straight from a movie. The last one will leave you speechless. Comment which one shocked you the most. If your dad's a real man, hit like and subscribe. Drop a heart if you love him. Number 1. Volcanic lightning. A volcano erupting while lightning explodes through the sky. Pure apocalypse vibes. Number 2. Fire tornadoes. Spinning towers of fire that scorch everything in their path. Absolute chaos. Number 3. Blue lava of Kawaijin. Glowing neon blue flames at night. Looks unreal, like sci-fi.